Update to the story that you asked us to investigate. Action News reporter Michael Lepardi brings us the latest.
Press 1 now.
All of the calls, all of the noise. But Karen McLaughlin says there's one robocall that's really driving her nuts.
1 or 2 a day, up to 4 or 5 a day, sometimes one right after the other.
The recorded message mentions Nevada Green Energy and goes a little something like this.
We can save you 30 to 50% on your electric bill.
Karen says the call comes from different numbers. When she tries to call back to be removed,
your call cannot be completed as
she can't get through.
I'm very frustrated because it doesn't seem like there's anything you can do about it.
The frustration has some people in the valley slamming their phones. After our first story, we received numerous emails from other viewers dealing with the same problem, including Karen.
I work from home, so I've got to stop my work to answer the phone.
Press 1 now to be
Karen says she's on the Do Not Call registry and wants to know why her phone is ringing.
Hello?
We called the FTC in Washington to find out. The agency says the calls may be spoofed. That means the call could be coming from a different number than what shows on your caller ID, and that can make investigating difficult.
When we try to track that number down, we usually reach a dead end and are unable to link that phone number to the actual person that called them.
We have not been able to track down the source. NV Energy says they are not associated with the calls. Karen knows the Do Not Call law allows some groups to ring. She just wants to silence the energy offer.
It's frustrating, and you can't be getting any responses because you don't have a good phone number that you're calling from.
The Nevada Attorney General's office says it's received 3 complaints about the call since last year. The AG works with the FTC on these matters. You can file complaints through the FTC's website, and the FTC says anyone who may have done business with the caller could help track down the source. Michael Lepardi, Channel 13, Action News.
Well, if you've received the call, tell us. Email us at 13investigates@ktnv.com so we can keep searching for some answers.